Hello guys, get ready for a fun Animal General Knowledge Quiz Part 2. Let's go! Which bird is known for its ability to initiate human speech? African gray parrot. What animal has the largest brain? Sperm whale. Which dog breed can understand more than 1,000 words? Border Collie. Which of these fish is actually a fish? Swordfish. Which of these spiders is venomous? Black spider. Which animal is known to have the most powerful bite in the world? Saltwater crocodile. What animal is known by the nickname sea cow? Manatees. What is a baby goat called? Kid. What animal is known for its ability to change color? Chameleon. What is the name of a group of fish? Shoal. What animal is considered sacred in Hinduism? Cow. How many did you get? And what's your favorite animal? Comment down below and make sure to like and subscribe.